Can the rental contract and the accommodation certificate prove that the cohabitation relationship is established?
Some cases hold a negative view.
What are the cases?
For example, in2021甘0104民初2217号 the plaintiff and the defendant were originally colleagues, and the two parties had stayed in a hotel together for many times. Later, due to the deterioration of the relationship between the two parties had a dispute over the loan arising from the purchase of the items involved in the case, and the negotiation failed. Therefore, the plaintiff filed a lawsuit against the court, requesting to divide the property of the plaintiff and the defendant during the cohabitation period according to law. Joint that, both the plaintiff and the defendant submitted evidence in accordance with the law regarding the claims, and the defendant did not appear in court to present or cross-examine evidence. As for one copy of the rental contract and 4 copies of the hotel registration form submitted by the plaintiff, the court held that the evidence could only show the fact that the defendant had rented a house and the two parties had stayed in the hotel, and could not prove the long-term and stable cohabitation relationship between the two parties. The evidence was not recognized, so the court rejected the plaintiff's statement that the two parties were cohabiting.